Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by identifying the sender and preserving evidence. Take a screenshot and note repeated timestamps. Next, use your phone's native report or block function. Tap the message, open info or details, then choose report junk or block. Do this now so the carrier and platform get immediate data. Once done, remove any suspicious links but keep the message copy. It's useful if you need to escalate to your carrier or an app service later. Once the sender is blocked, move into proactive filtering. Enable unknown senders or filter junk in your messaging settings so unrecognized numbers go to a separate list. Next, install a reputable spam blocking app that uses carrier feeds and AI pattern detection to catch spoofed senders. Make sure to grant necessary permissions and sync to your contacts. Finally, adjust notifications to contact only and configure auto-delete or quarantine rules. This reduces interruptions and prevents future spam from cluttering your main inbox. To finish, forward persistent spam to your carrier's spam reporting number, often 7726, or contact support to add blocks network-wide. Clean up by updating your app block lists and reviewing permissions that allow messages through. If spam continues, reset network settings and re-enable filters. This often clears cached routing issues. As a last resort, consider changing your number and notifying trusted contacts. Troubleshooting tip: if legitimate messages disappear, temporarily disable a third-party filter to confirm it's not overblocking before reconfiguring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.